Did you know that black jockeys once ruled America's most famous horse race? Here's the shocking truth they don't want you to know. In 1875, the very first Kentucky Derby was won by a black jockey. And get this, 15 of the first 28 Derby winners were ridden by black men. Isaac Murphy was the biggest sports star in America. He made more money than most millionaires today. Black jockeys were celebrities, living like kings, but white jockeys couldn't stand it. They started a violent campaign to destroy black riders. They would literally beat them during races. They threatened their families. They changed the rules to keep black jockeys out. By the early 1900s, almost every black jockey was banned from racing. Think about that. In just 30 years, they erased an entire group of champions from the sport they dominated. Today, the Kentucky Derby is still mostly white jockeys. The same race that was built by black excellence now pretends they never existed. This is how racism steals history.